To test the house paint for lead, look for old paint that is peeling, chipping, or cracking. Use one set of test strips to collect paint inside your house, and the other set to collect paint outside your house. The labels should have a P on them for paint. There should be 3 for inside and 3 for outside paint. Take out the white card and peel the plastic off the sticky tape. Put the sticky side onto the paint and check whether any paint chips or powder stuck to the tape. If the paint won't come off on the tape, it's likely that it's not a serious lead exposure hazard, so try another surface if you can't find any peeling or cracking paint. Then leave this sample out. When you get a paint chip on the tape, put it back in the plastic baggie and write down the location of where you got the paint chip from on the form. If you are unable to get peeling, chipping, or cracking paint in either inside or outside of the home, tick the box on the form to indicate that you could not collect it. Slide each card back into its bag and put it back in the paint compartment in your test kit. Double check to make sure you filled out the locations. When finished, move on to the next sample.